In today's lecture, we will learn about filter context propagation, that how filter and row context propagate. Let's talk about filter context first. Filter context automatically propagate from one side to many side. Like we have this data model. It contains territory, customer, sales, product, and some other tables. And here you can see we have one-to-many relationship from territory to customers. One-to-many, so the filter context can propagate easily from territory to customers. Then it can propagate from customer to sales. Again, we have one-to-many relationship. And then we have from sales to product, we have many to many. So this is not possible. So the filter context cannot propagate from sales to products until we try to make it bidirectional. So let's do it. Let's have a look how filter context propagate with the help of an example. So we can go to the report, and in the visual I have added from the customer table occupation, and we are here from the customer table, and I have added one occupation column, and now I add one sales. Like we have already created sales, total sales, so I just click, and now we have every occupation and related sales. So we can see, we can have a look. The filters can easily propagate from customer to sales, so every occupation has its relevant sales. So let's try to add territory as a slicer. So we need to know that how filter context propagate from territory to sales via customers. So we can go to the territory, and we can add one country slicer here. And here you can see, if I click Australia, the total sales is changing depending on the country. See, so with the help of this example, we know that how the filter context propagate from one side to many side. And let's do as we have already discussed, that the filter context filters will not propagate from many to many side. So let's try to create one measure on product. So I will create one measures like total products, count rows, and we will try to count all the rows in the product table. So let's drag and drop and see, we are getting everywhere 397 because the filter is not propagating from many to many side. That's why we are getting everywhere the same number of products. So how we will fix this issue? We will try to you just need to just click this icon. This single icon is showing like a single direction. Just double click, and then the cross filter direction, you just need to click both directions so that the filter can pass from many side to one side and one side to many side. Click OK, and now we have is a bi-directional filter has been applied. Now go to the report and see. We are able to see now this total product is filtering properly. For example, if I click Germany, France, Canada, so everything works fine. So this is how filter context propagate from one side to many side and from many side to one side. Performance wise, it is good when we have filter propagation from one side to many side, but when we have a reverse, like from many side to one side, then it might be have some kind of performance issues. So this is all about filter, how the filter context propagate. When we talk about the raw context does not propagate automatically. So we will see about the raw context propagation in the next video.